Welcome to the world of cryptocurrency. If you've ever wondered why crypto is such a big deal, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll break down the basics, what cryptocurrency is, why it matters, and how it's changing the future of money. Whether you're a complete beginner or just curious about digital assets, this guide will help you understand the key concepts in a simple and clear way. By the end, you'll have a solid foundation to start your crypto journey with confidence. Stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe for more insightful content. Number 1. Future of finance. Cryptocurrency is more than just digital money. It's reshaping the way we handle financial transactions. Unlike traditional banking, which relies on centralized institutions, crypto operates on decentralized networks. This means no middlemen, lower fees, and faster transactions, especially for cross-border payments. One of the biggest innovations in crypto is smart contracts. These self-executing agreements run on blockchain networks, ensuring transparency and security. They eliminate the need for third parties, making processes like real estate transactions, supply chain management, and even digital identity verification more efficient. Major companies and financial institutions are already embracing blockchain technology. Big names like PayPal, Visa, and even governments are exploring ways to integrate crypto into their systems. Central bank digital currencies, CBDCs, are also being developed, showing that the future of finance is moving toward digital assets. Additionally, decentralized finance, DeFi, platforms are revolutionizing lending, borrowing, and investing. With DeFi, anyone can access financial services without needing a traditional bank account, opening up new opportunities for millions worldwide. As the world becomes more digital, crypto's role will only grow. Whether it's payments, investments, or financial services, blockchain and cryptocurrencies are paving the way for a new era of finance. Number 2. Blockchain security. Blockchain technology is what makes cryptocurrencies secure and reliable. Unlike traditional financial systems that rely on a central authority, blockchain operates on a decentralized network. This means no single entity has control over the entire system, reducing the risk of fraud and manipulation. Each transaction on the blockchain is recorded in a public ledger, making it transparent and nearly impossible to alter. Once data is added, it cannot be changed or deleted, ensuring trust and security. This is why many industries beyond crypto, like healthcare and supply chains, are adopting blockchain for secure record-keeping. Another key security feature is cryptographic encryption. Transactions are verified through complex mathematical algorithms, making it extremely difficult for hackers to manipulate the system. Unlike traditional databases, which can be vulnerable to breaches, blockchain networks are highly resistant to cyberattacks. Additionally, blockchain removes the need for intermediaries. In traditional finance, banks and payment processors act as middlemen, which increases costs and security risks. With blockchain, transactions happen directly between users, reducing the chances of fraud and unauthorized access. As digital transactions continue to grow, blockchain security is becoming more essential. It provides a foundation for a more transparent and trustworthy financial system, ensuring that your assets remain safe in an increasingly digital world. Number 3. High growth potential. Cryptocurrency has shown incredible growth over the years, making it an attractive investment for many. Unlike traditional stocks, crypto markets operate 24/7, allowing investors to trade anytime. Bitcoin, for example, was worth just a few cents in its early days, but reached an all-time high of over $60,000. Many early adopters saw life-changing gains, proving that crypto has the potential for massive returns. However, with high rewards come high risks. The market is known for its volatility, with prices fluctuating rapidly in short periods. One of the main reasons for this growth is increasing adoption. Large companies, financial institutions, and even governments are exploring blockchain technology and digital currencies. As more people and businesses integrate crypto into their daily transactions, demand continues to rise, pushing prices higher. Another factor driving growth is limited supply. Many cryptocurrencies, like Bitcoin, have a fixed number of coins that will ever exist. This scarcity increases their value over time, similar to gold. While the potential for high returns is exciting, it's crucial to do thorough research before investing. The market can be unpredictable, so understanding risks and having a long-term perspective is essential. Crypto's growth potential is real, but smart investing is key to benefiting from it. Number 4. Financial freedom. Crypto gives you full control over your money. Unlike traditional banks, there are no middlemen deciding when or how you can access your funds. With cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum, you are your own bank. Transactions happen directly between users through blockchain technology. This means no delays, no restrictions, and no extra fees from third parties. Whether you're sending money across the world or making a simple payment, crypto allows fast and low-cost transactions. Another big advantage is ownership. In traditional finance, banks can freeze your account or restrict transactions. With crypto, as long as you have your private keys, no one can take your money away. This is especially important for people in countries with unstable economies or strict financial controls. Crypto also enables financial inclusion. Millions of people worldwide don't have access to banks, but with just a smartphone and internet connection, they can join the crypto economy. This opens up new opportunities for saving, investing, and doing business without needing approval from a central authority. While crypto comes with risks, its potential to give people true financial independence makes it a game changer. As adoption grows, financial freedom will no longer be a privilege. It will be an option for everyone. Number 5. Digital money revolution. Cryptocurrency is reshaping the way we handle money. Unlike traditional cash, which is controlled by governments and banks, crypto operates on decentralized networks. This means no single authority has control, making transactions faster and more accessible. One of the biggest advantages is global access. Millions of people without bank accounts can now send and receive money using just a smartphone. This is a game changer for those in developing countries who struggle with limited financial services. Another key benefit is lower fees. Traditional banks and payment processors charge high fees for transactions, especially for international transfers. Crypto eliminates many of these costs, allowing for cheaper and quicker money transfers. Moreover, digital currencies are available 24/7. Unlike banks that close on weekends or holidays, crypto transactions can be made anytime, anywhere. This flexibility makes it ideal for a world that's always connected. Big companies like Tesla, PayPal, and Visa have started accepting crypto, proving that digital money is becoming mainstream. As adoption grows, more businesses and individuals are beginning to see the benefits of using cryptocurrencies. The financial world is changing, and crypto is at the forefront of this revolution. Whether for savings, payments, or investments, digital currencies are here to stay. Thanks for watching. I hope this guide helped you understand why crypto matters and how it's shaping the future. There's so much more to explore, so stay curious and keep learning. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights on crypto.